Banned from bashing Obamacare, my next guest claims that she was dressed down by her supervisors after criticizing the healthcare law at work. Norina Mooney is employed by Santa Clara County in California. Her attorney, Brad Dacus, joins us as well. By the way, we did reach out to the county for a response. We got one. Just a moment. We'll get to that. We'll get to that shortly. Norina, what happened to you? What did you do?
What did I do? Well, first, thank you for having me. And what I did was according to what the management stated, was that it was overheard by another employee, not the one I was speaking to. Well, I don't know exactly what I said. That's the problem. They never spoke to me and told me what the problem, what I said. It was
well, they
something
said you
about
were
Obamacare.
essentially bashing Obamacare or something like that.
Okay. Well, what I said, and I know this is what I said because I was not bashing, I made the statement because I had read an article from Kaiser family, and it stated in the article that the 300,000 people had lost their health insurance in Florida. So I made that statement. I said, wow, 300,000 people lost their health insurance because of Obamacare in Florida. So that is all I said. I was not bashing Obamacare.
Okay, so Brad, then whatever happened, or however someone else interpreted it, they took it to their higher-ups and then did what?
Okay.
Well, Brad, answer if I can, Noreen. I just want to go to the legal ground here, but go ahead, Brad.
Oh, sure. Yeah, and then what happened is she was brought in and forced to sign an admission that she was had offended someone and apologized not to do it again. The problem with this, Neil, point blank, is that here we have a case of a government agency that is oppressing and punishing someone because of their speech. They're silencing them because of their viewpoint. And the reality is, and as Norina will confirm, the other employees there in the office have worn pro-Obama buttons, have talked positively about Obamacare. She is outnumbered by all the liberals in the audience. Some of the other liberals there working there, and that's a violation of her rights under the First Amendment free speech clause.
Noreen, is that true? Did other workers extol praises of Obamacare and nothing happened to that?
Well, to put it, let me just put it this way. We have I Love Obamacare bumper stickers in our parking lot. I mean, we have people that are totally for it that don't really understand or have read, unlike me, any of the Obamacare legislation.
Okay, well, we did get a statement from Santa Clara County. It reads thusly, that the County of Santa Clara has not disciplined or censored any employee based on any comments criticizing or supporting the Affordable Care Act. The county enforces content-neutral workplace rules relative to speech intended to ensure that county employees are not disrupted in conducting the county's business. But, Brad, what you're saying is that's not the case, because when it comes to supporting the health care law, they turn the other cheek, but when it comes to bashing it or even saying something bad about it, not so.
Right. They've obviously talked to their legal counsel. I can see that. But the facts are the facts. Our client was silenced because she said something critical of Obamacare. Other employees, very pro-Obama. They have not been silenced at all for any of their expression, including wearing Obama buttons during election time.
So, Norina, now when you were admonished, you didn't lose your job, right?
No, I was admonished, but they wanted to take it further.
What's further? What do they want to do?
Well, like, they wanted to write me up. They wanted to go further and write me up.
That's when you brought in Brad, because now you claim what?
Well, I claim that anything I could say now, they could take me and write me up. And, I've been there for 20 plus years. I've worked hard at
But you're on this show now. But you're on this show now. Do you fear that you're on thin ice?
Yeah. Yes, I do. But I knew I had to speak out because I am pretty positive that there are many other people that feel the same way as I do, but aren't willing to speak out and say that this is happening to them too, because, the majority rules in the county, and if you speak out against Obama, you're going to be admonished.
Well,
you're
Brad,
going
do you
to be
have a tough?
chastised.
I'm sorry, Norina. Do you have a tougher case, Brad, if she's never fired? She might be admonished, but that's it.
Well, even if she's admonished for her speech, if that speech is protected, that county has crossed the line, and they clearly have crossed the line. And let me just say, if there's anyone else in this country in a similar situation, they should contact us. And if they want to keep up with this case, we're going to keep people updated. Okay. Go to our website, pacificjustice.org. We'll be happy to keep people updated on this and other cases like this. It's not that uncommon, unfortunately, and that's why I have to put our foot down and go to bat for people like Narina.
All right, guys, thank you both very much. I'm very intrigued where this case goes.
Can I just say thank you to? Can I just say thank you to Pacific Justice? They are an awesome organization, and they're there for their people that need the help, like me.
All right. Well, you just did. Thank you, Narina. Thank you.